Presentation for LPA Studios in Irvine, one of the biggest architectural firms in California, and we're going over the implication on roof barrier applications, the planting, the procedures, the problems, the what do's and the what don'ts.
The Century Products material is made from a polyethylene material. Unlike the competitors made from polypropylene, this is a much more durable material where you can actually take the material and you can bend it at a 90-degree angle. As you can see here, really tight, no cracking, no issues up around corners where you're talking about let's say a curb and gutter installation. These are superb, actually designed to be contractor proof. So contractor proof means the guys can put it in either way. They can have the vented ribs facing the tree, or they can put it in backwards the other way, in which the interior part of the panel, which would normally be the flat side, could be facing the tree, because we can take advantage of the vents that's in the material. We can work with a lot of other architectural firms where we check projects, and this is what we've done here with the specifications put together. The Buy America letters included in your package, everything here, and that's kind of a Century protocol. Wham, just like that.